Hello, this is Gearbest. Today I'm going to introduce you the Telclass X98 Air 2. It's a tablet PC 2-in-1 dual system device. The body of this product is aluminum, which makes it extremely light, and also it is very thin, so you can carry it around. And also it's equipped with a charger and a USB cable, two instruction books for two systems, and also a special shorter USB cable for connecting the USB flash drive to this device. The power button is on its left side, and you can choose which system you want to use after the starting up. It's installed with Windows and Android dual system. The RAM of it is 2 GB, and the ROM of it is 64 GB. So it can fulfill the basic daily entertaining and working needs for you. It uses Intel HD Gen 7 graphics and with quad-core processor. Support built-in 3G networks as well as Wi-Fi. If you want to switch the system, just reboot the device and tap the icon of the operation system. And this operation only takes a few seconds. X98 Air 2 is also installed with Android 4.4 system, which can provide you a smooth experience when you want to relax and entertain yourself through it. It has 9.7-inch AirRetina IPS screen, a short, colorful, and high-contrast vibrant image display. The battery can run at least 7 hours if you're playing videos, so it is perfect for the movie lovers and mobile game players. The product has two cameras and supports to record high-quality videos. It also supports different apps such as YouTube and Skype, and it is convenient for you to make or watch videos and make phone calls. The thickness of this device is only 8.2 mm. The aluminum back cover also makes the appearance very modern and high-tech.